Hi everyone, in this video I will show you step by step your first sale on Redbubble. So here you can get your first sale on Redbubble. All you have to do is to set up a complete Redbubble profile. So you have to go to Redbubble and then set up your profile right here. So basically in order for you to do that, you just have to add profile picture, write an engaging bio that reflects your style, include links to your social media or website if you have any. This builds trust and make you look more serious as a creator. Now, once you have built up a good profile here in Redbubble, it's about time to create or upload high quality trend focused designs. And you can use tools like Canva, Photoshop, Procreate to make your designs. This time, I'm going to use Canva to create high quality image for my product right here. But actually, everything is up to you. For ideas, you can ask ChatGPT for that. And so I will be creating a new product here in Redbubble, and I will be using Canva to create high quality image. So add a new work, but go to Canva first and then go to create a design. This time I will be looking for anything that is related to codes. I can see different sizes and ratio here and templates. So let's just say these are the templates, or if you're going to create shirts, mugs, stickers. So let's just say shirt. Now you can look for any design and ask ChatGPT for captions and titles for your product right here. So for example, you ask ChatGPT to give you funny codes. All you have to do is to copy these codes here in Canva and then create your own design. So Canva is a free editing tool, but in order for you to unlock some features here, you need to upgrade your plan. So here you can add funny codes, you can change the background color, you can change the font style, the font size, everything is up to you. So basically, this is how you edit and create some designs here in Canva that you can upload in Redbubble. So you can also create here template for mugs, for stickers, shirts, shoes, a lot. So once done, you can now share and then upload this as PNG and then go to Redbubble and then upload this product right here. So let's just say this is shirt product. Now what you're going to do is you have to share your product links on your Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, design related groups or communities, create mock-ups to make your post stand out. So start with low markup and then once you get sales, then increase the price. So this is how you simply get your first sale on Redbubble. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.